Today in this video I want to share how to use inductive proximity sensor with 12-volt relay module. So this video we're not going to use any microcontroller like Arduino or ESP32 or ESP8266. We're just going to use sensor and relay module, and for the output we're going to control solenoid, which is 12 volt, and here of course we're going to have power supply, which is 12 volt 3 ampere. So this is a very important that what type of sensor you're going to use. So this is inductive proximity sensor. Inductive proximity sensor means that this is we detect only the method. It's not only the method, it's we detect anything that they can conduct the electricity. So overall, we can say this is method detector. So the range of detection is you have to see in the body here. So here is 4 mm, and this is NPN types, and here NO is stand for normally open. So the body here they already write out for the model LJ12A3-4 Z/BX, and this is NPN type and normally open, and 4 mm range, which is very close. And here there's 3 wire, so this is very important. BN is for brown, so brown is positive, and BK is for black. Black is a signal, so brown is positive, black is signal, and BU is for blue. Blue is negative. So the voltage range for this sensor is 6 to 36 voltage. So it's not only 12 volt, this is the range between 6 to 36 voltage. So of course this is compatible with 12 volt, and the important again is the output. So the output is controlled by relay. So relay output you can use either both DC appliance or AC appliance, right? So it's not necessary you use output 12 volt for the relay side. This you can use either both AC or DC, but the relay must be 12 volt because we are using 12 volt power supply, right? So the connection is very simple. Make sure you turn off the power supply first for the safety purpose, and here we just need to connect from power supply. This is positive and this side is negative. So positive we use red, and negative we use black. So positive, negative. So positive we connect and right here. So this is negative and positive. Negative is black, positive is red. So positive we connect to positive. So positive is here a brown color. Brown color is positive here. And negative is blue, so blue is negative, and the signal is black. So signal we just put on the side, this side. Here's the signal, and so this is a relay 12 volt. So relay 12 volt we're going to use jumper wire right here. So the relay also we need to see here's a VCC. VCC is 12 volt positive, 12 volt positive VCC, and ground is we connect to the ground negative, and in is for the signal input. So the signal input we directly connect to here, the signal from proximity sensor. So the connection is complete. Alright, so this is very simple. make sure that you not wrongly connect all the positive and negative. So here is negative here, positive line, and here's the signal. So let's turn on the power supply. I'm going to turn off the power supply from the main power switch. Alright, so the moment we turn on the power supply and the relay is here, the power is on, the sensor is on. Okay, with the sensor we cannot see, we cannot know either it's on or not. So we need to detect with the meter. So I'm going to use this as test band. Test band is a meter. So once the meter detect, then the signal here, the sensor light is on and the relay is turning on. So you don't need any microcontroller for this project. You just need a 12-volt power supply and 12-volt relay, which is a module. So we're going to make it on to control output as 12-volt solenoid, and I need to turn off first for my safety, because here is power live. So we can see test band here, the light is on. It's very dangerous. I'm going to turn off first. I turn off, and positive from power supply we comes to the relay com, which is common, and negative from the solenoid we directly go to negative of power supply here, and positive we out from normally open, so the connection, everything is already complete here. I hope you can see this. This is live neutral ground and negative positive. Right, here's a relay. So I'm going to turn on back the power supply from main power source. Right, so let's check. So when the sensor is detected, then the solenoid is on. So for this project, you don't need any microcontroller. You just need a relay and a sensor. And you not eventually need this breadboard. You can use a connector. Just connect all the positive and positive, negative and negative, and then signal and a signal. Alright, so I hope this video will help for someone, and thank you for watching my video.